Listen up, man. You are about to learn the number one tip that I can give you right now to get out of your own way and go forth and conquer your life like you want to, man. Listen up. Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help men master their journey. In this video, I'm going to go over a very powerful way that you can use right now, today, forever, to seriously just get out of your own way. Make life so much easier, man. When you do what I'm about to tell you and you actually put it into play, take action, take what I tell you. All of my videos, man, if you ever watch any of my content, don't just watch it and go about your day. Fucking take action. Put it into practice. Watch your life drastically change, man. All right, man, stick with me through this entire video. Stay with me, pay attention. Now, one of the most important things you can do on your development journey is learn how to recognize and remove things that do not serve you, do not serve your best interest, and are simply obstacles that are in your way. That is number one, my friend. You must remove obstacles. Okay? You have to remove the obstacles, man. Big O on that guy. Remove the obstacles from your life. Now, this comes in all shapes and sizes. So I'm not gonna go too deep, but the main things that I see in everybody's lives that need tending to, that they are unaware, are taking up their time, ruling their life in a way that isn't productive. They're getting no return on their investment with any of the things they do with their time. This is a problem, and where does it usually stem from, man? Social media, dude. Every time you spend hours on social media, you are wasting your life and putting a severe wall in place of your development. That right there is an obstacle. This is how you get out of your own way. You recognize obstacles that are in your way that you have put there. Because some things, man, they help us grow. They help us develop on our journey. And they're necessary, but too much and overindulgence can be very, very dangerous. Semen retention is a big one on that. Huge, huge problems when you overcompensate. Be aware, man. Become aware. This is where meditation is greatly used. Becoming aware is so powerful, so powerful. Your life, you have no idea how much better you can make your life when you just take the time to become aware. Now, bad diet. You guessed it, man. All of these things are just simple things you should tend to every day. But we get so caught up and we don't think for ourselves. Like, there are people in my family that eat food that they didn't decide to eat. They were told to eat and they just do. And I think all human beings have this. We just get caught up and we start doing things that are just, they're habitual, but they're not healthy and they're not serving us. This is why you need to become aware. And then you can nip that shit in the bud and go forth. Man, you got to get on that train. You have to. If you have absolutely no fitness habits at all, this is a huge block. This is why you're in your own way. If you've never worked out, man, if you've never taken the time to prioritize your diet and your fitness, you are seriously missing out. A freaking gold mine of bliss, man. Just absolute dreamy bliss with your head, with your body, with your life. Just removing the fact that you have not put this in place and switching that around and putting it in place will go miles, fucking miles, man. What's your diet like? Are you consistently eating healthy? A human diet, an actual human diet. I don't care about the fads. I don't care about the veganism, the omnivorism, the meat eater diet. I don't care. What works for you, your body type, your blood type, your lifestyle. What can you do forever? Forever. This is sustainable success. This is how you truly move to the other lane and surpass yourself that is creating these blocks. This guy needs to go. Become aware first. Change the diet. Incorporate fitness routines. Begin to meditate. Go forth with your passion in life. Do what you love. Do what really gives you that fulfillment. That's the true path of happiness. When you correctly remove things, then you can see the path. You can see obstacles only you know. You have to step back from this being through meditation and see things clearly. Then drastic measures can happen. Then you can take the steps you probably want to take. But you can't take those big steps until you baby step your way to normalcy. That's where development begins. Okay? Here's my opinion on improvement and development. If you are addicted to porn, drugs, food, okay? If you're unhealthy, you don't work out, that is in need of improvement. But once improvement's over, when you get to normalcy, which your diet's in check, 80-20 rule, you're pretty good on your diet. Fitness, 3 to 5 times a week. You are consistent, you hit it up, you're into it, it's part of your life. Your spirituality, you're meditating every day. You're taking time for you. You are connecting with nature, okay? You are finding your internal self, your true higher self. And number 4, man, you're pursuing your passion in life, your purpose. This is normalcy, in my opinion. And then from there, you can develop on top of this badass frame that you've built because you've removed blocks. You got your diet in check, your fitness is on point. When you are mentally sound, mentally has 2 L's. When you are mentally sound, this right here in and of itself is you are out of your own way. Do you see how this works? In the end, man, if you refuse to literally cut shit out of your life that doesn't serve you, you do not get your nutrition or your fitness in check, okay? And you are absolutely not meditating. You're not taking into account the metaphysical being which you are. Very important, my friend. Very, very important. Then you're mentally unsound. When you're mentally unsound, you cannot see the obstacles in your way. It's just not possible. Clear the obstacles, get your shit in order, get to normalcy, in my opinion, what normalcy is. Then you can develop on top of that and become fucking superhuman, man. Absolutely. Abso-freaking-lutely. Now stay tuned for tomorrow. It'll be part 2, and I will continue this getting out of your way kind of saga that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 2 parts. Stick with me tomorrow. Thank you for watching, man. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.